How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, today I'll be using my white 5.8 quart Cosori air fryer. It's preheating right now. And I'll be making some hot chicken crack. Chicken wings and legs. That's what I'm using. And everything I talk about I'll put in my description box. And I'll be using a breader bowl for the hot chicken crack coating. They call it a coating. I call it breading. Okay, the preheating setting is about to beep. Okay, and I have vacuum sealed, washed, seasoned, and vacuum sealed my chicken in my Sun Life vacuum sealer. See the seasonings. And this has been frozen, so I just thawed it out. Okay. So those seasonings can go all through the chicken. So the inside and the outside of the chicken will be thoroughly seasoned. So I'm just going to dump the chicken in here. It's still kind of frozen. This is 5 wings here. I'm going to shake 4 wings. In my breader bowl. And I got the air fryer sitting on a rolling countertop tray. So I can pull it out and push it in, because it's not supposed to be jammed up against the wall when it's on. Here's my black Cosori, which y'all have seen millions of times. Shaking up the excess. I'm going to spray my wings with some olive oil. And I'm using my Evo oil sprayer. And I hold it up high and I pull the trigger back real far. So it don't come out in a stream, but it'll come out in a spray. Okay. Show you how it looks. Don't want to put all the wings in here at one time. So I can just make one batch. And I'm not going to flip chicken. Okay. Okay, y'all, I got 7 wings in here. It ain't preheated no more. I waited so long. So I'm going to turn it on and put it on the chicken setting. And we'll press play. I'll be back. But look how pretty that white is, y'all. They're pretty. It's exactly like the black one. And let me go get the red one. Just a minute. Just the red Cosori. It's 3.7 quarts. I'll show you the difference in the sizes. It's almost the same size as the, what's this, 5.8. This is where this basket looks. That's how this basket looks. like a nice size to only be 3.7 quarts because of the squared shape. It holds a lot. Okay, let's check on this one. Cooking nicely. Okay, I will be back. I'm not going to turn the wings over at all. I'm not going to spray them again. I'll just spray to one side. And I'll be back when it's done. Okay, smell these wings. Oh, that's right. It don't take as long to cook when they've been marinated. I keep forgetting. Okay. They're done. I think I have 5 or 6 minutes left. Look at that. I got some little ones in here. I know they're good and done. I didn't flip the wings at all. I don't flip wings anymore with the Cosori air fryer. Okay, let me get my tongs and put them in the platter. Y'all see me? Put this here. Nice and brown on both sides. These are the little ones. The other little one. Too little. Cooks perfect, just like the black one, and the red one is exactly the same. And this is the cleanup I have to do. I will show. Easy to clean up. So I'm just going to put it here aside now. Turn this off. And show y'all my nice golden brown, crispy air fried chicken cooked in my white Cosori air fryer. And it is brown on both sides, even though I didn't flip it. Okay. So, okay. Okay, I want to thank you for watching. Thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll leave a link for the white Cosori air fryer in my description box, as well as everything I talked about in this video. Okay. Y'all be blessed. Bye. Bon appetit.